Fat cat, that is. Let's go, boy. Let's go. That's nice. We got fish number 2. And it's a cold ass night. Rainy than a motherfucker, but we out here catching them cat daddies. Got another one. And no, I ain't got gloves on because I'm scared. I got gloves on because it's fucking cold out here. But we on them motherfuckers. Hopefully they keep hitting. But we out here. Oh, 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 I dropped him. I dropped him. Little motherfucker got some fight still left in him. Big old mouth. Let's get him back in the water. Oh, he did like 3 flips in the air. Video for me real quick. It's already going. You motherfucker. Let's get the thing. You motherfucker. Big boy. Oh shit. God damn. These are gonna have to have some battle wounds. Boy, got a sharp ass mouth. He's nice. Probably like 8-10 pounds, something like that. We're gonna get this motherfucker back in the water though. God damn, that's bright as fuck. Ah, got another fat daddy. Look at the belly on him. Oh shit. He got my motherfucking finger good. Ah. Oh, look at it. Big cats. Damn, I can't see shit.